Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Joy and you are watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uninstall ISO 15.5 software update on your iPhone and as well as iPad devices. Somehow you don't want to get this operating system on your devices and you want to uninstall it, then stay with me and watch the full video. After that you will be able to delete ISO 15.5 update. So without wasting your further time, let's start the topic. Firstly, open your settings. Now scroll it down, tap at general, tap at software update. Appears on screen, you can see ISO 15.5 update has been appeared, but I don't want to install this on my device, so go back again, tap at settings. Now scroll it down, tap at general. Now scroll it down, tap at iPhone storage. Now scroll it down, appears on screen, you can see ISO 15.5. just tap on it. Now tap at delete update, again tap at delete update. Now go back again, tap at general, scroll it down and tap at VPN and device management. Appears on screen, you can see ISO 15 beta point. Appears on screen, you can see ISO 15 beta software profile. Just tap on it. Now tap at remove profile. Now enter your passcode and tap at remove. Now tap at not now. Like this you can easily uninstall your ISO 15.5 software update or software on your iPhone and as well as iPad devices. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and also subscribe my channel, and if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.